College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. Now I am going to speak about drone technology in agriculture. The use of drones have altered the agricultural industry and will continue to grow in the upcoming years. Now the drones have come to the level of small-scale agriculture with several. Drones can be used for a wide range of applications in agricultural industry, including monitoring crop health, monitoring field conditions, planting and seeding, spraying applications, security, drone pollination, drone irrigation, etc. Drones have 5 important sensors such as visual, multispectral, thermal, hyperspectral and LiDAR sensors. Motto is to explain them in brief. Visual sensors. These sensors are used to detect aerial mapping and surveying. Multispectral and hyperspectral sensors are used for measuring the crop health and water quality assessment. Thermal sensors. These sensors are used to detect heat signature and surveillance. LiDAR sensors. These sensors are used to detect the surface variation and mapping of nets. Drones are very useful in agriculture. This use has plenty of advantages such as saving time of spraying pesticides, reducing labor requirement, easy use once learned, integrated GIS mapping, crop health imaging, work efficiency increase, detect crop damage, reducing pollution, increase in productivity, reducing the wastage of pesticides.
Government of India promoting the use of drones in agricultural field by introducing Kisan Drone Scheme. The Kisan Drone Scheme was launched by the Union's Agricultural Minister Narendra Tomar on February 2022. Under the scheme, the central government provide 100 drones to the Indian farmers under subsidy.
New technologies and devices at the time of inception will not be agreed easily. One such example is use of drones. But now even a small-scale farmers realizes its value. Now our drones and agriculture have become inseparable. Thank you.